guys. So today we are going to be building a Cartesian diver. So in order to do that, you need a pen cap. It's really important that the pen cap doesn't have holes on the top. So your regular Bic pen caps won't work here. I found that oftentimes gel pens have ones that are completely solid on the top. And although, yes, you might have to take it off your gel pen for a few minutes, those work the best. You also need a 2-liter soda bottle that you will fill almost completely with water. And I would take the label off. It's a lot easier to see. And then you also need some putty, either putty or modeling clay that is going to stick to the Cartesian diver. So we already built ours, and this is what it ends up looking like. So here is our gel pen cap, and we put some of the putty on the bottom, the very bottom of the cap itself. And we tested it out to make sure that when it's in the water, it's going to sit straight up and down. So you might want to do that before you put it into your 2-liter bottle of water. Okay, so we have our bottle filled almost completely full with water, and we have our Cartesian diver ready. Okay, we have our putty down at the bottom and it's sticking on there. So when I put this in, it's going to be straight up and down. Why is it going to be straight up and down, Mikey?
Because all the weight on the bottom.
Good. So our weight is on the bottom by the putty. So I put it in, and it's still floating towards the top, but it's straight up and down. When I push on the bottle, the diver is going to dive. So what's happening when I push on the bottle?
All the air, when you push on the bottle, all the air comes out.
Good. And where was the air?
Inside the cap.
Inside the cap. So we talked about how there was nothing inside the cap to start, which is why it's still sort of floating. So there's air in there. And when you push on the bottle, you're forcing all of the air out, and it's taking on the water, which is making it go down. And then when you release it, it's forcing the air back out and therefore rising back to the top. So a really simple way to talk about weights, what happens to weights in water, how you can change it, and also just kind of fun to squeeze the bottle. So a very simple way to do a Cartesian diver. Enjoy.